Hello students, I am going to discuss here the second important result of diagonalization when a matrix or operator is said to be diagonalizable. A linear operator T from V to V. T is a linear operator from V to V is diagonalizable if and only if there exists a basis of V containing eigenvectors of T. This is the result, very useful result for diagonalizable operator. T is a mapping from V to V. Then the operator is diagonalizable if and only if there exists a basis of vector space. We are considering the basis of V, and the basis of V contain all the eigenvectors of T. मतलब means eigenvector of T are contained in basis of V, then operator is said to be diagonalizable. If a basis contain eigenvector, then operator is diagonalizable, and if operator is diagonalizable, then basis contain eigenvector. Now the proof is, let T mapping from V to V be a diagonalizable operator. We have suppose that T is a diagonalizable operator. Then there exists a basis B equal to V1, V2 up to Vn of V such that matrix of T with respect to B is a diagonal matrix. Lambda 1 0 0 up to 0, 0 lambda 2 0 up to 0, and last is 0 0 0 up to lambda n. This value is, we have supposed this value. That implies T of V1 is lambda 1 V1. T of V2 is lambda 2 V2. Up to T of Vn is lambda n Vn. Therefore, here V1 is eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda 1. V2 is eigenvector corresponding to value lambda 2. Vn is eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda n. So, all the elements in basis B equal to V1, V2, Vn contains eigenvectors corresponding to eigenvalues lambda 1, lambda 2 up to lambda n. Now this is one part of the proof. We are considering T as a diagonalizable operator. When an operator is said to be diagonalizable, when there exists basis such that matrix of T with respect to that basis is diagonalizable. This is the definition of diagonalizable operator. There exists a basis B of V such that matrix of T with respect to B is diagonal matrix. So we have written diagonal matrix. Now T of V1 is lambda 1 V1, T of V2 is lambda 2 V2 up to T of Vn is lambda 1 Vn. What is the definition? V1 is eigenvector corresponding to lambda 1, V2 is eigenvector corresponding to lambda 2, Vn is eigenvector corresponding to lambda n. So all the elements in the basis B are eigenvectors of corresponding to eigenvalue lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda n. So this is the one part of the proof. Now conversely, we are considering the basis of V containing all the eigenvectors of T, and we have to show that T is a diagonalizable operator. Let there exist basis B. Conversely, let there exist basis B equal to v1 v2 up to vn of v such that each vi, here I varying from 1 to n, is an eigenvector of T. We are considering a basis which contain all the eigenvectors of T. If v1, v2, vn are eigenvector, then there exists lambda 1, lambda 2 up to lambda n belongs to F such that T of v1 is lambda 1 v1. T of v2 is lambda 2 v2 up to T of vn is lambda n vn, because v1 v2 vn are eigenvector, so there exist eigenvalues such that this is the definition of eigenvalue eigenvector. Therefore the matrix of T with respect to B is lambda 1 0 0 up to 0 0, lambda 2 0 up to 0, and so on 0 0 0 up to lambda n. So this matrix is diagonal matrix, so we can say that T is diagonalizable operator. Now here is a corollary of this result. Let T be a linear operator on n-dimensional vector space. If T has distinct eigenvalues, then T is diagonalizable. If T has distinct eigenvalues, then T is diagonalizable. This is the corollary of this theorem. If T has distinct eigenvalue, then T is diagonalizable. Now what is the proof? We are considering let lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda n be n distinct eigenvalues. We are considering n distinct eigenvalues as lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda n. Then let v1, v2 up to vn be eigenvectors corresponding to eigenvalues. We have n eigenvalues and we are considering n eigenvectors corresponding to these eigenvalues. Then the eigenvector v1, v2, vn are linearly independent. The eigenvectors are linearly independent. Since dimension of v equal to n, therefore v1, v2, vn is a basis of v, because dimension of v equal to n and these are n vector which are linearly independent, therefore these form a basis of v. Thus there exists a basis of v and basis contain all the eigenvectors. So by the result which is done in the theorem section, we get that when a basis contain eigenvector, then the linear operator is diagonalizable. We have a basis of v which contain all the eigenvectors, so the T operator is diagonalizable. Thank you.